What to look for in a school wall graphics company? A lot of suppliers can print vinyl. Far fewer can deliver a school wall graphics project properly. 1. End-to-end delivery, design, print, install. The best companies manage the full process. This matters because wall graphics projects fail most often in the handover gaps. Design looks great but doesn't install well. Print arrives but doesn't match the wall measurements. Installer arrives but doesn't have safeguarding documents. Materials fail after 6 months due to poor specification. 2. A real education portfolio, not just generic signage. Some signage companies can do schools, but their design often looks corporate. A strong school specialist understands age-appropriate design, curriculum expectations, accessibility and readability, behavior and engagement, what school leaders actually care about. 3. Safeguarding and site professionalism, DBS-checked installers, risk assessments and method statements, a clear site plan and install schedule, staff who understand school procedures. 4. Durability and correct materials. Schools are high-impact environments. A good supplier will specify materials that cope with heavy footfall and daily cleaning, color stability over time, resistance to scuffing and knocks, clean edges that don't peel, removability without wall damage if possible. 5. Installation quality. This is where most projects succeed or fail. Seamless alignment across long corridors, clean finishing around doors, sockets and corners, experience with awkward surfaces and access. Visit our website for more information on school wall art, www.cubecreative.co.uk.